Students, I'm excited to share with you this morning some new opportunities for students to explore various career paths while in high school. Oftentimes when students are asked what they want to do after they graduate, they respond, go to college. Too often many students choose a college path because they think that is what they are automatically should do. Many students don't really know what they want to do after they graduate college, thus leaving them in a situation with student loan debt and no career plan. Don't get me wrong, college is a great opportunity for a fantastic career choice. However, it could be an expensive option, and the decision to go to college should not be taken lightly. Over the course of this year, we as a staff will provide you experiences that we hope will help you and your family plan out your next steps upon leaving MHS. One way we can assist you in that process is to promote multiple avenues for you to achieve a start in a lifelong career and to educate you on some high-needs jobs across the Miami Valley and throughout Ohio. Manufacturing, construction trades, healthcare, and technology are all some of the high-needs jobs in our area. Let me take a brief moment to explain the 1-2-7 principle. For every one job out there that requires a master's degree, there are 2 jobs out there that require a bachelor's degree or 4-year degree. There are 7 jobs, high-skilled jobs, high-needs jobs, that require only a 2-year degree or a 1-year certification. Throughout this year, we plan to expose you to these various jobs in these fields so that you and your family can make some educated decisions when planning out your future. The first of these career fields that will be looking into is manufacturing. There are several entry-level jobs starting out for students with a high school diploma. Many companies are willing to get good employees in the door and pay for their training and certifications. Some companies even offer apprenticeship programs to students right out of high school, where you can get paid to do all of your training through them or even at the college level so you can start your career. We often think of manufacturing as a dirty and noisy location. Some plants still operate in this manner, but many of them are spotless and have a high concern for cleanliness and safety. The district has decided to partner with local businesses to promote the statewide and national-wide Manufacturing Day on October 4th. We are opening up 100 spots for juniors and seniors to sign up to tour manufacturing facilities in our area and learn about high-demand job opportunities. Unsure about what you want to do as a career? Then we suggest you take advantage of Manufacturing Day field trip. The first 100 juniors and seniors to complete the parent permission form and return it to me, Mr. Neubauer, in the administrative offices by the bus lot will get to attend the October 4th field trip. You may get the permission slip from your academic period teacher or pick one up from the East administrative offices. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.